Hey, hunters, ready to dive deep into the epic world of Solo Leveling Season 2? Let's be honest, who else got goosebumps when Sung Jinwoo walked in looking like the final boss? Or wait, was it just me? Today we are uncovering those hidden gems that'll make you go, wait, how did I miss that? So sharpen your daggers, summon your shadows, and let's get started. First up, Jinwoo's insane glow up. I mean, did anyone else think, who's this K drama lead and where's my nerdy hunter? Even his sister Gina was like, wait, is this my oppa or am I in the wrong anime? But jokes aside, this transformation is pure genius. His appearance screams power, but it's his calm, intimidating presence that really hits. Question for you. Do you think Jinwoo's new look is just about appearances, or is it a hint at how detached he's becoming from normal humanity? Let me know below. Now, let's talk about the Red Gate. On the surface, it's oh no, we're trapped in a deadly dungeon. But come on, this is solo leveling. The Red Gate is so much more than that. It's a metaphor for Jinwoo's life. A regular day suddenly turns into chaos, and he's left to fix everyone's mess. Here's a fun one for you. Did you notice how the ice elves were way too organized? Is it just me, or do they seem like the type who'd host a book club after battle? What do you think this says about the enemies Jinwoo will face in the future? And then bam, enter Huang Dongsu. Did anyone else feel like the background music should have been dun dun dun? This guy didn't even need to say much. His smug face did all the talking. Here's a thought. If Dongsu is this cocky now, how's he gonna react when he realizes Jinwoo obliterated his brother? Place your bets. Will it be a teary soap opera moment or an all-out revenge saga? Personally, I'm here for the drama. Now, let's talk about Jinwoo's shadow army. Quick question. Does anyone else think Igris deserves his own spin off series? I mean, the guy is leading the charge, looking like he just walked out of a medieval fantasy RPG. Here's the real hidden detail. Notice how Jinwoo doesn't even flinch during the fight. This man is out here playing chess while everyone else is stuck playing checkers. What's your favorite shadow so far? Is it Igris Beru or someone else? Comment below. Finally, let's talk about that sneaky mention of Jeju Island. Anime only fans take notes. This little nugget is setting up one of the craziest arcs in solo leveling. And for webtoon readers, no spoilers. But here's something to think about. If Jinwoo faces those ants on Jeju Island, will his current strength be enough? Or is he gonna need a whole new level of opiness? Let's hear your theories. So there you have it, hidden details, foreshadowing, and a whole lot of hype. What do you think Jinwoo's biggest challenge will be this season? Is it the Red Gates Dongsu or something even bigger? Let's get the theories rolling in the comments. And before you go, don't be like those hunters who ignored Jinwoo. Show some respect. Smash that like button, summon your shadows on the subscribe button, and hit the bell like it's a dungeon boss. See you in the next hunt.